I recently dove into the world of Nikon cameras, testing some of their best offerings so you don't have to waste your hard-earned cash. Whether you're an aspiring photographer or a seasoned pro, I've got the details you need. I'll break down the features, pros, and cons of each camera to help you find the perfect fit. Let's get started. Product number 1, Nikon Z6 III. The Nikon Z6 III is a full-frame mirrorless powerhouse that's perfect for both videographers and photographers. When I first unboxed it, the sleek design immediately caught my eye. Holding it in my hands, I could feel the premium build quality, which reassured me that I was dealing with a serious piece of equipment. The camera features a 24.5 MP CMOS sensor that offers incredible detail and dynamic range. It also boasts a robust ISO range of 100 to 64,000, which means I could shoot in various lighting conditions without compromising quality. Using the Z6 III in different environments was an exhilarating experience. I took it to a local park during golden hour and the colors just popped. The autofocus system is remarkably fast and accurate, with -10 EV detection capabilities, making it a breeze to capture sharp images even in low light. The eye detection AF feature is a game changer for portrait photography. I was able to effortlessly track my subject's eyes, ensuring that every shot was perfectly in focus. One of the standout features is the camera's video capabilities. With the ability to record 6K 60p internal and RAW video, I had the freedom to experiment with different cinematic styles. I filmed my dog playing fetch, and the slow-motion playback at 240 FPS was stunning. The in-camera image stabilization helped eliminate any jitters, producing smooth footage even during action shots. What I also loved was the electronic viewfinder EVF. With a brightness of up to 4,000 nits, it provided an incredible viewing experience, making it easy to compose shots even in bright sunlight. The 120 FPS refresh rate made tracking fast-moving subjects a joy. However, it's not without its downsides. The camera can feel a bit bulky for those used to compact models, and the learning curve for advanced features might overwhelm beginners. But for serious photographers and videographers, these are minor trade-offs compared to the benefits. In conclusion, the Nikon Z6 III is a fantastic investment for anyone serious about photography and videography. It offers a blend of performance, quality, and versatility that is hard to beat. If you're looking for a camera that can grow with you as your skills develop, this one should definitely be on your radar. Product number 2, Nikon COOLPIX P950. The Nikon COOLPIX P950 is a super zoom digital camera that caught my attention for its impressive 83x optical zoom capability. When I first took it out for a test, the sheer range of zoom was astonishing. I found myself standing at a distance, capturing clear shots of birds perched on tree branches that seemed almost unreachable. This camera is perfect for wildlife enthusiasts or anyone who loves to capture distant subjects without needing a hefty lens setup. The 16 MP CMOS sensor ensures that you get sharp, vibrant images, and the low-light performance is commendable. I remember one evening trying to capture the sunset, and the results were stunning. The colors were rich, and the image clarity was remarkable, even at maximum zoom. Additionally, the built-in image stabilization helped combat any shakes, ensuring my shots were stable. I also enjoyed the rotating LCD screen, which made shooting at awkward angles a breeze. Whether I was kneeling down for a low angle or trying to capture a high shot, the flexibility it offered was invaluable. And let's not forget about the 4K UHD video capabilities. Shooting videos of my kids running around in the park was a joy, and the clarity was top-notch. On the downside, the camera can be a bit heavy for extended shooting sessions. And while the zoom is fantastic, it does come with a learning curve in terms of adjusting settings for optimal performance. The autofocus, while generally reliable, can sometimes lag when zoomed in fully. Overall, the COOLPIX P950 is a solid choice for anyone looking to get into super zoom photography. It's versatile, packed with features, and offers incredible image quality for its price point. If you're planning to explore nature, this camera will definitely elevate your experience. Product number 3, Nikon D50-100. The Nikon D50-100 is a classic DSLR that has been a favorite among photography enthusiasts. I picked up a renewed model and I was pleasantly surprised by its performance. The 16.2 MP sensor delivers impressive image quality, and I immediately noticed how well it handled different lighting situations. Shooting in natural light during a family picnic, the colors were vibrant and the details were sharp. One of the standout features for me was the vari-angle LCD screen. It made capturing candid moments at odd angles much easier and allowed me to experiment with different compositions. I remember getting some fantastic shots of my kids playing on the swings, all while being able to see the screen clearly. The D50-100 also features a range of scene modes, which are great for beginners who may not be familiar with manual settings yet. I played around with the night portrait mode during an evening gathering, and the results were impressive. The camera balanced the flash and ambient light beautifully, making for natural-looking portraits. However, being a renewed model, it did have some minor cosmetic wear, but it performed like new. The battery life was decent, but I found myself needing to recharge it frequently during a full day of shooting. Another minor drawback is that it doesn't have built-in Wi-Fi, which means transferring photos requires a bit more effort. Despite these minor concerns, the Nikon D50-100 remains a fantastic entry-level DSLR. Its robust feature set, coupled with the potential for creative exploration, makes it a great choice for anyone looking to improve their photography skills without breaking the bank. Product number 4, Nikon Z50II. The Nikon Z50II is a compact mirrorless camera that packs a punch for both stills and videos. When I first held it, the lightweight design was a breath of fresh air compared to bulkier DSLRs. The 20.9 MP APS-C sensor delivers excellent image quality, rivaling some of the more expensive models, and I was thoroughly impressed with how it handled dynamic scenes. One of the features that stood out to me was the easy color presets. As someone who loves to play with aesthetics, having 31 built-in picture control presets at my fingertips was a game changer. I remember experimenting with different settings while capturing street scenes, and it allowed me to quickly adapt my shots to match the vibrant urban environment. The autofocus capabilities are also noteworthy. The camera can automatically detect and track various subjects, including people and animals, which made capturing my pet's antics a breeze. I found the dedicated bird mode particularly useful during a recent trip to the zoo, where I could get crisp, well-focused shots of the birds in their enclosures. Video capabilities didn't disappoint either. I filmed some family moments at a birthday party, and the results were fantastic. However, the Z50II does have a few quirks. The battery life could be better, especially during extended shoots, and while the kit lenses are decent, investing in a couple of prime lenses would truly elevate the experience. In summary, the Nikon Z50II is an excellent choice for those looking for a versatile, compact camera that excels in both photography and videography. It's perfect for anyone wanting to step up their game without the hassle of heavy gear. So there you have it, the top 5 best Nikon cameras that I've tested. Each has its unique features catering to different needs and preferences. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, there's a Nikon camera out there for you. Don't just take my word for it, consider what fits your style and needs best. Happy shooting!